6 years. 6 good years. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sylvia and you're welcome back to Sylvia's Circle. If you're new here, hey girl, don't forget to like and subscribe and always comment. If you have any questions, I am here for you. So today we're going to be discussing on the 5 steps to take if you're studying medicine in Nigeria. Basically optometry, but we'll focus on optometry today. So the 5 steps to take before studying optometry in Nigeria. So let's get to it. Okay, what is optometry? Optometry is a science that deals with the study of the human eye, the anatomy of the human eye, the physiology of the human eye, the pathological part of the human eye, and every other part. Optometry deals basically with the human eye. So an optometrist is a person that studies optometry. An optometrist is a primary health practitioner. That is the first contact a patient reaches when it comes with the patient's eye. The first person that a patient comes in contact with, that's an optometrist when dealing with his or her eyes. So an optometry basically is there to render or give glasses, there to treat basic pathologies and even complicated pathologies before you are being referred, if necessary, to an ophthalmologist or any other higher echelons. Now let's get to the list of what to know before studying optometry in Nigeria. You need to make sure that you are fascinated by science. So what I'm basically trying to say that your secondary school days, you need to make sure that you are interested in basic courses such as biology, such as physics, such as chemistry. You need to be fascinated by those courses. The foundational courses for optometry, that's the bedrock of optometry, or the foundations of optometry. We have 2 courses, that's biology and physics. Now these 2 courses, they are important that you should be comfortable with knowing those 2 courses and understanding those 2 courses if you want to go into the line of optometry, unless there'll be a little bit of struggle. So those 2 courses, you have to bear into your mind that is the basic courses that is needed for you to study optometry in Nigeria. So the second point to look out for is the institution that you choose to study optometry in Nigeria. Nigeria as a whole, we have 7 universities offering the course optometry. We have Abia State University, we have Imo State University, we have Benin City University, that's University of Benin. We have Baniro University, Kano is a private university. We have Madonna University, is a private university. We have Uni Ilorin, and finally we have Federal University of Technology, Owerri. Now, based on recognition, the highest university that deals with optometry is Abia State University. Abia State University has the highest top. We are the number 1 with optometry in Nigeria. We are the first one to introduce an OD degree. So Abia State University, if I should recommend to you, is the first university that you should consider if studying optometry in Nigeria. So another thing to consider, the third point to consider when studying optometry is the finances. Optometry has a way of taking your dough. Optometry have a way of taking your shesheng, your money, your cash, any word you want to use. They have a very high affinity for making you spend. So if you want to go into optometry, make sure that you are financially, or your guardians are financially stable for you to sponsor the kind of the course or the medical course optometry, because optometry you would require to get some portable instruments, an ophthalmoscope, a retinoscope, or trial lens case. Different portable instruments we're supposed to have personally, so we are required to get those for ourselves. Now those instruments are a bit pricey, they are not really normal, they are pricey. So for you to get those instruments, get up to 5 instruments that are supposed to be your personal instrument, you need to be good financially. So that's one thing to look out for, financial stability. Now for the 4th point is the time frame. The time frame to study optometry in Nigeria is 6 years. 6 good years if you are going to study optometry in Nigeria. then you go for your internship, and then you go for your NYC. So basically they are saying 8 good years of everything you want to do before you start making gains in optometry. So for you to go into that, you need to make sure that you are ready, because 8 good years are going to be extracted without so much gain. You're going to be spending, learning, relearning for 8 good years. So when it comes to the decision of marriage, the decision of life commitments and other things, those are things you should consider. Are you willing to wait 8 good years before you get married or get into a relationship or something? Or are you really ready to get married or have a child while being an optometry student? It is allowed as long as you're in Nigeria. You can get a child when studying, but it's just that, are you ready to handle that kind of responsibility when studying a massive course such as optometry? So you need to know the time frame. It's going to be 6 years, 1 year of internship, 1 year of NYC, total of 8 years. So it's going to be 8 years studying. Okay, the last but not the least is not actually a point, but it's like a personal advice I'm giving. So you need to have something special you bring to the table if you know you want to go on with this course. Let me elaborate. So with optometry, Nigeria releases close to 200 graduates per year for a course that doesn't really have much job opportunities. That means there are a lot of hospitals, but these days hospitals are being filled up with actual optometry. So there is no way for the incoming ones to actually come in. There is no much room for the incoming ones. So what special thing are you bringing to the table for optometry? Do you want to do a pediatric hospital? Do you want to do a private clinic? Do you want to do a clinic for specially aided people? So what special thing are you willing to add into the optometry course? You can of course go in with the chance of I will just go and look for a normal job in the hospital. Yeah, you can go in with that, but then there's a very low probability of you getting a very good and decent job with you just going and putting yourself out there. Instead, have a plan. If you have something special you want to add that would eventually even bring in work opportunities for other people, it will be better, way better than you going in and relying on the Nigerian government to provide a job for you. Yes, so that's all. That's basically all in what you have to consider when studying optometry in Nigeria. I hope this is very useful to you guys, and I hope that you have learned a lot. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Any questions that you have, I am here for you. Whatever struggles with optometry, I'm here for you. Please don't forget to like. Please guys, subscribe. I really appreciate if you do. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.